So if xy is a solution for the system of equations, what is the value of x by y? So sometimes we should be inspecting to see if any of these equations can be written as x by y by dividing something, so that we can avoid a lot of calculations. But upon first inspection, it appears that dividing any of these things to get this term is not going to help, because we are still going to end up with a y term here. So let us use our traditional way of solving equations. So let us rewrite this as 2x minus 2y equal to 3y minus 2, and x plus y is equal to 10. Let us try to move the y terms and x terms so that they're all together and lined up nicely. So 3x, we move 3y here, so it becomes minus 5y is equal to minus 2. Now for me, the elimination of x or y is easier, so instead of substitution, I'll simply multiply this by 3, so that this yields 3x plus 3y equal to 30, and the second equation is 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 2. So let us try to subtract these two. So this cancels and we get, this is 8y, and we get 30 minus 2 is 32. We get y is equal to 4. Now let us substitute y is equal to 4 in this equation, because it is simpler, and we will see which is x is 6. So x by y is 6 by 4, and making it in the simplest form, we divide by 2 and we get 3 by 2. So choice D is the correct answer. That's pretty much it.